what's up, David?
Yo, what up, boys?
How's it going?
Excited for homecoming?
Homecoming? What's that?
You're kidding, right? You don't know what homecoming is? You've been here for 4 years. Alright, I'll tell you about it. Homecoming is on Saturday, October 5th, from 7 to 10 p.m. But remember, doors close at 8, so be there before then.
Okay.
Right. And tickets are sold during all lunches, and they're $15. But you cannot buy tickets on Saturday, so get them before then.
So homecoming's a dance!
But it's so much more than just a dance. Homecoming week starts on Tuesday, October 1st, and goes all the way to Friday, October 4th. And there's stuff to do the whole week.
Stuff? Like what?
I don't know.
Well, let's go find someone who knows what they're talking about.
What's up, guys?
Oh, whoa! You came out of nowhere!
Have you heard the homecoming theme for each grade yet?
Themes?
Grades?
Yeah, every year we pick a theme for each grade to be. This year, it's board games. Seniors are Monopoly, juniors are Candyland, sophomores are Clue, and freshmen are Chutes and Ladders.
Well, what are the themes used for?
On Thursday, at the end of the school day, we have an awesome assembly. Each grade dresses up like their theme and compete in mini games against each other. It's called the Blackhawk Games.
That sounds like fun, but am I supposed to dress up like the Monopoly Man or something?
Don't worry. In spirit packages, there will be a class t-shirt, noisemaker, and other accessories. If you or a parent had a chance to purchase one a couple weeks ago, they'll be distributed at lunches on Tuesday and Wednesday during homecoming week. If you didn't get a chance to purchase one, there will be a limited amount sold after school on Wednesday, October 2nd in B200. But get there quick because it's first come, first served.
Great! Now I finally have a use for all this Monopoly money that I keep on me at all times.
Thanks, Lexie.
No problem, guys. Wait, I almost forgot. On Wednesday, after school, it's hallway decorating. Each grade competes and decorates a part of the main commons, like their theme. All students from BHHS are welcome to participate, and the designs stay up on Thursday and Friday to be showcased for everyone.
Hey, go on! What are you doing?
I'm practicing for the homecoming game, October 4th versus Lake Orion. It's going to be a great game. Also, we'll be announcing homecoming court and showing off the grades floats.
Watch out!
You know what else you should watch? Powder Puff. Come at 7 p.m. on Tuesday at the football field.
Don't you think it's kind of weird that everyone keeps answering our questions without us even having to ask them?
Yeah, isn't it nice? What up, Cedric? Looking good.
Thanks, brother.
You got any fashion tips for us?
Yes, Tuesday, neon.
Okay.
Wednesday, camo.
All right.
Thursday, class t-shirts. And Friday, Blackhawk Spirits.
Oh, I like it, man. What about Monday?
There's no school on Monday, so don't bother showing up.
I think I've got a pretty good idea about what homecoming is now that half the school has told me about it.
Yeah, like I was saying, it's pretty weird that everyone keeps coming up to us and telling us about homecoming week.
Yeah, it's almost like we're in a promotional video.